exploring the rich history and traditions of Thanksgiving in the United States. Thanksgiving in the United States is a cherished national holiday celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November each year. It originated as a day of Thanksgiving and harvest festival, with the theme of the holiday centered around gratitude. The iconic Thanksgiving dinner, featuring Indigenous cuisine, has become a symbol of unity and appreciation. From turkey to pumpkin pie, the menu reflects the rich cultural tapestry of American history. The widely known First Thanksgiving in 1621 brought together Pilgrims and Native American Wampanoag people for a 3-day feast. President Abraham Lincoln officially proclaimed Thanksgiving a national day in 1863, urging the nation to give thanks and praise. Explore the cultural significance of this transition and the impact it has on American traditions. Setting aside time for Thanksgiving and feasting dates back centuries, with Europeans and Native Americans observing similar practices. Learn about early Thanksgiving observances and their role in shaping the modern-day holiday. Join us in celebrating the rich tapestry of Thanksgiving, where history, tradition, and gratitude. Share your favorite Thanksgiving traditions in the comments below, and let's continue the spirit of gratitude together.